In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Redfin Redesign. By the end, you'll know how to get to Redfin, sign in, find the right listing, open the redesign tool, pick a room, choose a transformation, and compare the results clearly and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Redfin. You can type Redfin into the address bar or into a search engine. This is the simplest way to land on the site if you don't remember the exact URL. Once you're there, it's a good idea to bookmark the home page so you can return quickly later. Next, click the correct link in your search results. You're looking for the official Redfin website. Double-check the domain and make sure you see a secure connection indicator in your browser. Avoid sponsored links that don't clearly lead to the main site. When the home page loads, click Join or Sign In, usually found at the top right. Enter your account credentials to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one here. Keep your login details secure and consider using two-factor authentication for extra protection. You'll know you're signed in when you see your account icon or name. Now search for active or recently sold listings. Use the search bar to enter a city, neighborhood, zip code, or a specific address. Apply filters to narrow down price, beds, baths, or property type. If you want to see how redesigns might apply to comparable homes, switch to recently sold listings. Availability of the redesign feature can vary, so exploring a few listings may help you find one that supports it. Open a listing and look at the primary photo at the top of the page. On eligible listings, you'll see a redesign button in the corner of the image. Click it. If you don't see the button, the feature may not be available for that property. Simply open another listing and check again. From the room gallery, choose an interior shot you want to experiment with, such as a living room, kitchen, or bedroom. Select a clear, well-lit image for the best results. The tool works best when the room is easy to read and not overly obstructed. Choose your transformation method. Depending on what's available, you can select from different styles or approaches to refresh the space. Follow the on-screen prompts and give the tool a moment to process your selection. Finally, use the on-screen toggle to compare before and after. Slide or tap the control to reveal changes against the original MLS photo. Zoom in if needed to evaluate details like furniture placement, color, and lighting. Use this comparison to visualize possibilities and refine your ideas for the space.